Good morning everyone, welcome to your SST class. This is Nidhi, your SST teacher from St. Xavier Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to explain all the exercises and question answer of chapter 14. This is the lecture 2 of chapter 14. The name of chapter 14 is Kolkata, the land of Durga Puja. So everyone, be with your book at page number 86. The first exercise A is take the correct option. The first point is Kolkata is the capital of dash. The options are West Bengal, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is West Bengal. Second point, the British created a miniature version of London on the banks of the Dash River. The options are Satluj, Yamuna and Hooghly. The correct answer is Hooghly River. Kolkata's metro railway system was started in, the options are 1964, 1914 and 1984. The correct answer is 1984. Fourth point, dash is the most important festivals in Kolkata. The options are Christmas, Durga Puja, Diwali. The correct answer is Durga Puja. Next, Kolkata is famous for its dash. The options are beauty, British architecture and food. The correct answer is British architecture, जिसे वास्तुकला बोलते हैं. Next, the Dash Library in Kolkata is the biggest library in India. The options are National, Saraswati Mahal and Kanamara Public. The correct answer is National. Next exercise B, fill in the blanks. The first point is earlier Kolkata was called, the options are Calcutta or Chaurangi. The correct answer is Calcutta. Second point, during early summer, Kolkata witnesses spell of dash with heavy rains. The options are T tsunami and thunderstorm. Answer is thunderstorm. Third point, the Rasgulla is a Bengali dash popular all over the world. The options are painting or sweet. क्या है? रसगुल्ला sweet है. Next point, a dash of Kolkata was built during the period between 1696 and 1702. यहाँ पर जो कोलकाता का क्या चीज बनाया गया था, किस 1696 से 1702 की अवधि के दौरान क्या बनाया गया था? The options are Fort St. George and Fort William. The correct answer is Fort William, यानी विलियम का किला बनाया गया था. Fifth point, dash is very famous for its statues and paintings. The options are Victoria Terminus and Victoria Memorial. The correct answer is Victoria Memorial. Sixth point, the dash in Kolkata is the biggest library in India. The options are National Library and the Kanamara Library. The correct answer is National Library. Now moving to next exercise C, write T for true and F for false statement. The first point is Kolkata is one of the most important cities of Eastern India. Yes, the answer is right, true. Next point, Kolkata was the capital of India during the British rule till 1951. Yes, the answer is wrong. Answer is फॉल. ब्रिटिश शासन के दौरान भारत की राजधानी थी 1951 तक. द आंसर इज रॉन्ग, फॉल्स. द ब्रिटिश क्रिएटेड अ मिनिएचर वर्जन ऑफ लंडन ऑन द बैंक्स ऑफ द हुगली रिवर. यस, द आंसर इज राइट, ट्रू. Fourth point, the main railway station in Kolkata is Howrah Station. Yes, the answer is right, true. The main industry of Kolkata is jute processing. Yes, the answer is right, true. The city of Kolkata is famous for its British architectures. Yes, the answer is right, true. Now moving to next exercise, exercise D, very short questions. The first question is, from where did the name Kolkata come from? Answer, the name Kolkata came from Kalikata. कलिकता से ये शब्द बना है. इसका नाम कोलकाता रखा गया है. Question number 2, what is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Question number 3, how is the climate of Kolkata during the month of May or June? Answer, the climate of Kolkata is very hot and humid in summers during the month of May and June. Question number 4, in which year the government of the West Bengal बंगाल ऑफिशियली रीनेम्ड कलकत्ता टू कोलकाता? कौन से साल में कलकत्ता को कोलकाता नाम दिया गया था? Answer: in the year 2000, the government of West Bengal officially renamed Kolkata to Kolkata. In which year the Kolkata's metro system started? Kolkata's metro railway system was started in 1984. Next question: which is the most famous festival of Kolkata? Answer: Durga Puja is the most famous festival of Kolkata. Now moving to next exercise E, answer the following question. Question number 1, where is Kolkata situated? Kolkata is situated on the banks of the Hooghly river. Hooghly नदी के तट पर स्थित है कोलकाता. डिस्क्राइब द हिस्टोरिकल सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ कोलकाता. ऐतिहासिक महत्व बताना है कोलकाता का. द फर्स्ट वन इज द 3 विलेजेस ऑफ सुतानुती, गोविंदपुर एंड कलिकता ज्वाइंड टुगेदर टू फॉर्म कलकत्ता इन 1690. ये 3 गांव मिलकर इन्होंने कलकत्ता शहर का निर्माण किया था इन कब 1690 में. Second, the British created a miniature version of London on the banks of the Hooghly river. Third, Calcutta became the capital of West Bengal. In 2000, the city renamed itself Kolkata. Kolkata was the first city to have metro station. कोलकाता वो पहला शहर है जहां पर मेट्रो स्टेशन बना. It is the only city to have tram network. Howrah station is the main railway station, and this city is famous by Howrah Bridge. Now next question, what are the people of Kolkata fond of? कोलकाता के जो लोग हैं वो किस चीज के शौकीन हैं? The people of Kolkata are fond of painting, singing and other arts. They also very fond of sweets like रसगुल्ला. इनको चित्रकारी करना, गाना गाना और बहुत सी कलाकृतियों में ये मतलब इनको बहुत शौकीन है और कलाओं का. और वहाँ का जो फेमस स्वीट है वो है रसगुल्ला, जो कि पूरे विश्व में प्रसिद्ध है. डिस्क्राइब द क्लाइमेट ऑफ कोलकाता. आंसर: कोलकाता हैज वेट एंड ड्राई क्लाइमेट. इन समर्स are hot and humid, in the month of May and June being the hottest month. Coldest months are December and January, and rainfall months are June to September. Next question, what is the significance of Vidyasagar Setu? Vidyasagar Setu was the second bridge built across the Hooghly river in West Bengal. Its length is 823 meters. What are the important places in Kolkata and what are they famous for? और ये क्यों प्रसिद्ध हैं? In Kolkata, the important places are, the first one is Victoria Memorial, famous for its statue and painting. ये किस लिए फेमस है? मूर्ति के लिए और चित्रकारी के लिए. सेकेंड, मैदान, फेमस फॉर होस्टिंग मैचेस एंड ह्यूज एग्जीबिशन. और जो विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल के पास एक मैदान है वो किस लिए फेमस है? वहाँ पर क्रिकेट मैच की मेजबानी की जाती है और वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा प्रदर्शनी की जाती है. थर्ड पॉइंट, इंडियन म्यूजियम यानी भारतीय संग्रहालय, फेमस फॉर इट्स आर्ट्स, आर्टिफैक्ट एंड लार्जेस्ट म्यूजियम. और ये सबसे बड़ा म्यूजियम है और ये किस लिए? चित्रकारियों के लिए और कलाकृतियों के लिए प्रसिद्ध है. नेशनल लाइब्रेरी, फेमस फॉर बिगेस्ट लाइब्रेरी, और ये सबसे बड़ी लाइब्रेरी है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, थिंक एंड आंसर एक्सरसाइज. क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, अ फेमस क्रिकेटर वॉज बोर्न इन कोलकाता बट ही इज नॉट इन द इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम. नाउ कैन यू गेस हिज नेम? आप बता सकते हैं जो कोलकाता में जो पैदा हुआ है एक फेमस क्रिकेटर जो अब भारतीय टीम में नहीं है, उसका नाम बता सकते हैं? यस, द आंसर इज सौरव गांगुली. इफ यू विजिट कोलकाता, अगर आप कोलकाता में विजिट करते हो, विच प्लेसेस वुड यू लाइक टू सी, आप कौन से शहर देखना पसंद करोगे, कौन सी जगह देखना पसंद करोगे, डिस्कस इन योर क्लास. इफ आई विजिट कोलकाता आई वुड लाइक टू सी विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल, ईडन गार्डन, इंडियन म्यूजियम, एलिपोर्ट जू एंड फोर्ट विलियम एटसेट्रा. नाउ मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट एडिशनल क्वेश्चन आंसर. The first question is, what is one of the most important cities of Eastern India? यानी पूर्वी भारत का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण शहर कौन सा है? आंसर कोलकाता. कोलकाता is the capital of which state? Answer West Bengal. Which river flows by Kolkata? Answer Hooghly River. How is the climate of Kolkata? Wet and dry climate. For how many days Durga Puja is celebrated? Answer 5 days. Name the biggest library in India. The answer is National Library. In which city the National Library is located? Answer Kolkata. In which city of India has a tram network? Answer Kolkata. What was the earlier name of Kolkata? Answer Calcutta. When was started the construction of Howrah Bridge? Answer in 1937. An underground railway system called? Answer Metro. Name the first city which have an underground railway system. उस पहले शहर का नाम बताना है जिसमें अंडरग्राउंड रेलवे सिस्टम बना. आंसर कोलकाता सिटी. What is the official language of Kolkata? Answer Bengali. Name a wonderful place for art and artifact lovers in Kolkata. आप उस अद्भुत जगह का नाम बताएं जो कि कला और कला प्रेमियों के लिए प्रसिद्ध है. आंसर इंडियन म्यूजियम यानी भारतीय संग्रहालय. इट इज द लार्जेस्ट म्यूजियम इन इंडिया. In which year Indian Museum was founded? ये कब खोजा गया? In 1814. Where are the public records of Government of India kept? Public record कहाँ रखे जाते हैं? In the National Library. Why is the city of Kolkata famous for? ये क्यों प्रसिद्ध है? Because of British architecture. A Hooghly Bridge called? Answer Vidyasagar Setu. When was started the Kolkata's metro railway station? In 1984. Name the main railway station of Kolkata. Answer Howrah Station. What is the main industry of Kolkata? Jute processing. Name some other industries of Kolkata. Textiles, vehicles, iron and steel, leather, rice, paper, chemicals, etc. Which Bengali sweet is popular all over the world? Answer Rasgulla. Why is the Victoria Memorial famous for? Because of its statues and paintings. Name some tourist places of Kolkata. Fort William, Botanical Gardens, Alipore Zoo, Salt Lake and Stadium, etc. Now the explanation part of exercises and question answer and some additional question answer is completed in this video. Now this is your turn. You have to learn all the exercises, question answer and some additional question. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.